Hi beauties, happy November. It has been a year. I mean, did I sleep through most of it? Ha ha, that's a joke. Yes, I did. But oh my gosh, can you believe we're in November? Who out there has this schedule where it's like we're at Halloween and then we're at Christmas? I feel so in the mood for Christmas right now. I'm just like, can we just have a great year this year? Can it just be nice and calm and fun? I'm looking forward to baking some this year. Like, I'm ready for Christmas, okay? So, I even have some art projects I want to do. It's a thing. But anyway, you know what time it is? It's Ipsy time. And I have an Ipsy bag for you. So here is the Ipsy bag. It's called our Glam Bag. And here is our little, here's our little makeup pouch or money pouch, whatever you want it to be. But right now it has goodies in it, making it a glam bag. 5 deluxe samples come in here. If you're a member, you get to choose one of your samples. This is up to a $70 value, and it's $13 a month. So let's set this aside. I love the way this material feels. I can just like rub on it all day. I like that it's like a little faux leather strap. So we'll unzip it. First thing I'm pulling out looks like a blush or a highlight. Is Pressed Shimmer Powder by Cosmetic. Ooh, yeah, there's the light on it. What a pretty shade. Very gold. It is Autumn. So, yeah, there is let me show you the name of it. I really like that. But I don't know how my skin will like it. Next thing we're pulling out is something from Estate, and I actually love their pencils and their liners. So here we have a Precision liquid liner in Midnight Blue. I'm not going to open it so that I'll know that this is a fairly new one, and I could not have contaminated it with my conjunctivitis. So we're not going to open that. Let's see, we have a Mary and May eye cream, because it's words I cannot say. And it says, reduces dark circles in the eye contour and improves uneven skin tone. I can definitely use that. But like I said, not right now. Here we have a grown chemist, and it is polishing facial exfoliant pink grapefruit. So this is just like a little facial, an exfoliant. You just put it on wet skin, rub it in and around a little bit, and then wash it off. I like their products. They're very good cleaning skin products. So, a Tarte Toilette by Tarte, and it is a mascara. There's the wand, and of course I love to try new mascaras. It's like one of my favorite things to do. So this Glam Bag was an even amount basically of makeup and skincare. I think this was a winner I'm probably going to gift this to someone. But other than that, definitely a winner for me and things that I will definitely use. And I really love the bag. So this month's Glam Bag, which is $13 a month, was spot on for me. I really do like the gold faux. That's cute. Anyway, I hope that you are having a great, that you have either gotten your Glam Bag or you want to order one. Check out my description and use my link if you want to help me out. And you can get your very own Glam Bag. $13 a month.